Today I want to share with you a game that is great for children and adults alike. I started playing this game in elementary school and I've recently rediscovered it, and it's just as fun as I remember it. So this game is called Set, and essentially what you're doing is just looking at cards here laid out on the board and looking for patterns. You're looking for the color, the shape, the number, and the shading. So the key to this game is all the cards that are in your set, and a set consists of 3 cards, have to either be all the same or all different in each of those categories. Again, the categories are color, shape, number, and shading. So everybody gathers around the table here, looks at these 12 cards that are out, and when they see something that matches or is all different, a set, they say set, and then they have to point out the set on the board, and when they do, they can collect those cards and add it to their pile. Then you replace those cards with the deck here, and whoever has the most sets at the end of the game wins once the deck runs out and you've cleared the board as best you can. So just give you a few examples of what's a set and what's not a set. This is a set here, because you have the colors are all different, the numbers 1, 2, 3 are all different, the shapes are all the same, and the shading is all the same. They're all solid. So that is a set. It meets all 4 criteria. Let's show example of another set. This is another set. All the numbers are the same. All the shadings are the same. All the shapes are different, and all the colors are different. So that's another example of a set. Now let's give you an example of what a set doesn't look like. This might at first look like a set, until you realize that there's one thing wrong. There's 2 diamonds. So all the shapes are not the same, and all the shapes are not different. There's 2 of the same, but not all 3. So that's immediately not a set. Just to give you one more example, this is not a set, even though it might look like it at first, because all the colors are different and all the shading is the same. But the difference in this is that there's 2 of the same number. So this wouldn't be a set either. So you can see it takes a little bit of time to get the hang of what's a set versus what's not a set. But it helps you look at things and perceive things that other people might not. And it's a really fun, really quick game that's different from a lot of games, a lot of strategy games. It'll be fun for children and adults alike. I highly recommend it.